Now come to the next schedule, Schedule 10. So this schedule was mentioned by 52 Amendment Act 1985, and the subject in this schedule is related to defection. Now what is defection? If you don't know, so listen very carefully. Suppose there are two parties of groups. In this party there are 8 members, and in this party there are 6 members. And the name I'm going to give them, like this is BJP and this is Congress. Okay. So example is best option to explain the meaning of defection to the student. So I'm giving you the example. Now, if there is only a single member is not satisfied with his party or with his group of members on any other issue, whatever the issue he has, it is another concern, but it is not satisfied with the party or with the members. So he can leave this party and he can join the another party and become the member of another group. So BJP loses his one member. Okay, fine. So this process is called defection. When any leader or any member of a group of a party leave that party because of any other reason, maybe he is corrupt or maybe he is planning something wrong against his party. So he left the party and joined the another one. Means he changed his group as well as his party. So this process is called defection. Also, the members of these party, means member of BJP parties, like there are other members, they can also disqualify him from their party on the grounds of corruption, revolution means revolt, and any other suspicious activity which is founded by the all members of the party. So they can also disqualify him on the grounds of this and that. And then he is alone because he is disqualified by his own members. So now he is alone. So what will he do alone? He will join the next party. It's called defection. So in the exam, questions appear like related to this schedule 10. Like this schedule mentioned by which amendment act? So the answer is this. Question is like which subject included in schedule 10? So the answer is defection. And these type of questions definitely come in the exam. It is not a joke. So you have to learn and prepare yourself with each and every detail that is I am teaching you. Now come to schedule 11.